If you're looking for a luxury crossover that puts efficiency, design, and everyday usability ahead of outright aggression, could the 2027 Lexus UX be one of the smartest choices in its class? Welcome to V8X, where we take a closer look at what new vehicles actually bring to the table. And today, we're taking a first look at the 2027 Lexus UX in white. Before we go any further, there's an important point about this model year. As of now, Lexus USA has officially published detailed specifications for the 2026 UX 300h, but a full 2027 UX specification has not been officially released. So this first look focuses on the UX design and the latest verified US market information, while avoiding guesses about unconfirmed 2027 changes. Visually, the UX continues to stand apart from larger Lexus SUVs. Its compact proportions, sharply sculpted bodywork, low roofline, and distinctive Lexus front treatment give it a sporty urban character. In white, those lines become especially easy to read, from the tightly drawn front end to the muscular rear shoulders. The UX is not trying to look like a scaled-down LX or RX, its identity comes from being smaller, lower, and more city-focused. Inside, the UX takes a different approach from many mainstream compact crossovers. The cabin emphasizes a driver-oriented layout, quality materials, supportive seating, and Lexus-style attention to detail. The latest US market UX offers 5 seats, while available equipment can include heated and ventilated front seats, a 12.3-inch multi-information display, and Lexus interface technology depending on trim. That makes the UX feel less like an economy crossover with luxury badges and more like a genuine entry point into the Lexus experience. Technology is another part of the package. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 is standard on the 2026 UX 300h, bringing features such as lane tracing assist, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. The important takeaway is that the UX is designed not only to look sophisticated, but also to reduce driver workload during everyday driving. Under the hood, the latest verified US market UX 300h uses a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with Lexus' 5th-generation hybrid system. Total system output is 196 horsepower. Front-wheel drive models are rated at 43 mpg combined by the EPA, while AWD versions are rated at 42 mpg combined. Lexus lists manufacturer-estimated 0-to-60 times of 8.0 seconds for FWD and 7.9 seconds for AWD. So this is not a performance crossover in the traditional sense. Its strength is smooth, efficient, responsive transportation. Pricing is also important. For 2026, the UX 300h starts at $38,550. While the AWD version starts at $40,120 on Lexus' current US website. Higher trims move well into the mid to high $40,000 range. For the 2027 model year, however, Lexus has not yet published confirmed UX pricing or final US equipment details. That uncertainty also changes the competitive picture. The UX makes the most sense for buyers who value Lexus refinement, hybrid efficiency, compact dimensions, and premium ownership more than maximum cargo space or explosive acceleration. If you need a larger cabin, stronger performance, or more utility, alternatives in the luxury compact SUV segment may be a better fit. So, should you consider the 2027 Lexus UX? Potentially, yes, but with one major condition. Wait for Lexus to officially confirm the 2027 specifications, pricing, trims, and availability before making a buying decision. What makes the UX different is its combination of compact urban proportions, Lexus craftsmanship, and hybrid efficiency in a premium package. This first look is based on information officially available from Lexus USA, and specifications, pricing, features, equipment, availability, and destination charges may vary by trim, configuration, region, and dealership. For the confirmed 2027 details, always check official Lexus information. Thanks for watching V8X. If you want more first looks, new car breakdowns, and premium automotive coverage, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.